Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. What ID do I need to open a Monzo bank account in the UK? Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's talk about why this is such a popular question. Monzo is a digital bank that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. They offer a variety of features that make banking easier and more convenient, like no monthly fees. That's right, you don't have to pay any monthly fees to use your Monzo account. Instant notifications. Every time you make a transaction, you'll get an instant notification on your phone. Easy budgeting. Monzo makes it easy to track your spending and set budgets. Cashback rewards. You can earn cashback on everyday purchases. International travel. Monzo is accepted in over 150 countries. So, if you're thinking about opening a Monzo account, you might be wondering what ID you need. Well, the good news is that it's pretty simple. Here are the types of ID that Monzo accepts. Passport, driving license, provisional or full, national ID card, biometric residence permit. If you have any of these forms of ID, you can open a Monzo account. Once you've got your ID, there are a few other things you'll need to provide when you open your account. These include your name, your date of birth, your address, your email address, your phone number, proof of your address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Once you've provided all of this information, Monzo will verify your identity. This usually takes a few minutes. Once your identity has been verified, you'll be able to start using your Monzo account. So, that's all there is to it. Opening a Monzo bank account is easy and straightforward. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage your money, I highly recommend checking out Monzo. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. 1 on personal finance. 1. www.abroadero.com. www.abroadero.com. See you next time.